welcome to Why This channel. Today's topic is books. Yeah,
Books.
yeah.
What do you want to speak about
Books for me, it's like drugs.
drugs?
Yeah.
Why? Why you say? Why you analyzed book as drug? How? I mean,
I'm addicted to books.
addicted to books.
Uh,
You're addicted to books. You
all
are
kind of books. Books means any kind of book.
any kind of books.
Fiction, business,
Non-fiction,
self-help books. All kinds of books.
business-related books,
Yeah.
academic books.
Academic books.
Nobody actually attaches or makes academics book as a drug. Nobody will.
Yeah. So I am. I find myself always in the library.
Library.
Yeah.
So, is it right or is it wrong? What do you think? What do you mean?
No, I'm very fine when I was in a library. I think this is the only world.
This is the only book is the only word for me, right? What happens is, see, what I'm saying here is, whatever we,
Hmm.
whatever we touch
Okay.
in our life,
Hmm.
that is going to give you some, that is going to give us some information,
Some information. Okay. Through the book.
some information.
Hmm.
Whatever we touch, book, audio book, video book,
Now
video.
it is started, na? Now it is started. Audio book, video book.
Yeah, it's
After the internet.
yeah. The way
Book is
information,
before internet.
the way information is given to you
Hmm.
is being evolved.
Okay.
There was a time when the only way to give you any information is through the paper.
Through the paper or letter.
Right? You write something and then you give it to somebody.
Hmm.
That's how you pass on the information.
Okay. So, can you tell me like how books started?
Simple, no? Now, if I ask you
Huh.
that, Kaka, you will have to, put all your life's experiences
Okay.
in one thing, whatever it is.
Whatever you can name it. It's a book or it's a movie.
One thing, the first thing which will come to your mind in today's world is movie. You know what happens when somebody says, I want to tell my story to the world. They'll say, first I'll make a movie only. The first thought which comes to the mind in today's world is movie. But if you go back, when there was no TV, no internet, so whoever we were there at that time, what happened is,
Okay.
whoever were there who wanted to give some information, good, bad, beautiful, ugly, information about drug, alcohol, sex, spirituality, religion, information about human beings, everything, only option they had was books. Few years back, when there was no internet.
Okay.
Just think, if we have to give out any information and there is no internet today also, how would you do it? You would write a book. Simple.
Yeah.
So the way book started is to give away the information to us. All kind of information, any kind of information. Even the technological information, so called, that was also given through books only earlier.
Okay.
You're getting.
Yeah.
Einstein conducted, Edison conducted, Tesla conducted many experiments
Okay.
with scientific instruments
Okay.
which were there.
Hmm.
But when the information has to be passed on
Okay.
of their experiments,
Hmm.
there was no video to record that experiment. There was no, audio to record his voice. There were very less. If you know that, if you don't know, there are audios and videos of Einstein. If you have not seen, you can go and check. You see, there are very less. So, typically, whatever the information they wanted to give, they gave out through books. That's it.
Okay. So, like all the writers, writers only write the book.
Yeah.
So, any writer who wrote the book is like self-help books. How relevant to this like people like others? Any writer he writes only his experiences.
So how is it relevant to everybody you say?
Yeah.
As I said, what we do is, See, as I said yesterday or in the last video, I don't know in which video I mentioned it. As
Okay.
I said, what we do is we fragment life.
Okay. Hmm.
We detach ourselves from everything,
Okay.
from the whole world.
Hmm.
When you detach yourself from the whole world, when I say whole world, not just human beings,
Then.
everything which is there, nature, human beings, insects, all the animals, plants, when you detach yourself, even the water and fire, when you detach yourself from them, what happens is, you start developing your own logic in your head.
Okay.
Is it clear? When you detach yourself from the whole world, you start developing your own logic. And what happens is sometimes in life, that logic won't work to you.
Okay.
So what basically people do is, they go to self-help books.
Self-help book.
Right, as you said. Normally, there was a time when people used to read fiction, when people used to read stories, novels, and
Stories,
poetry.
sex stories.
Sexual information, education books, and what do you say? Technological books. Everything they used to read.
Okay.
Nowadays, it's happened like this. If you have to go back to the book, the only book that is famous in the market, the genre of the book which is famous in the market is self-help books, because people are thinking by reading some book they're gonna help themselves. Right. As I said, when you create your own logic and you don't know what is happening around, and you go to self-help books,
Yeah.
what happens is there are two kinds of self-help books there in the market.
Okay.
Only two.
So what for first one? Self-help.
Yeah.
Okay. Second?
No, there are only two kinds of self-help books I'm saying. In self-help, only two kinds I'm saying.
Okay. Yeah.
What is self-help? If you go to the basic meaning of self-help, what it says is help yourself. You are helping yourself by reading that book. Nobody else is helping you. The writer is not helping you. It is not. It is really difficult to understand. Just two words, self-help. What does it mean? You help yourself. Not the writer will help. Not the book will help. Not the world will help. You should help yourself. That is self-help books, right? What's happening is people, when they read their books, the first category of the books are
Everything is fucked.
no. The people who don't know only who is the self, they wrote those books. I'm saying.
Okay.
When somebody doesn't even know who he is and he writes a book of self-help and there is no self-clarity there, what happens is, whatever he thinks as self, the writer,
Mark Manson, he also confused me. Yaar. Like first book he said, you should not give a fuck. And last second book, everything is fucked now. You are the only one dude who said should not give any fuck, and you are saying everything is fucked now.
see, when he said,
Like there are some book titles, man. It's crazy titles. Who will cry when you die?
no, are you speaking about the book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving,
Yeah,
the Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck?
Yeah, the orange color book.
I've read that book. Yeah.
But that Mark Manson writer, and again he wrote the book. Everything is fucked.
Why? Why you think?
But he is the only one. He's confused like this.
Just go into it. No? He's a big writer. When he says like that, just go into it. What happens is, I'm not commenting on him or something. When you write something, or when you put away something in the market, you will see how people are taking it. Either, or you already have your own logic. That no, this is the first part and this is the second part. You write it that way. What happens is the someone who reads, why they get confused is, wherever you go, kaka, in life, whatever you touch in life, let's say it is a coin, it always has two sides.
Book also has two sides.
Everything, that's why I said, whatever you touch in life, it has two sides.
Okay.
It is being told in the market.
Okay.
You know it. But what we forget, you know that. It is the same coin.
The coin is same.
What we do is, we say one face, and either we praise that person, or we see other face, and we judge that person. We are not seeing it is the same coin.
Okay.
See, what happens is, when you say, he says don't give a fuck, and then after that he's saying everything is a fuck. Just try and understand what he's meaning. He's trying to say, don't give a damn fuck to anybody in life. Live your life. But at the end, when you don't give a fuck to anybody in life and live your life your way, you'll come to an age where you'll see everything is fucked up actually. It is the truth.
Okay. So these are the self-help books we're talking. So religious books.
That is one category. I'd say there are another category of books where the people know actually what is the self,
Okay.
what actually self and how that self can be improved.
Okay.
Not the body, not the information in the head. What actually is the self, they know it and they wrote those books. If you just go back to those books and see what he's talking about, so you'll clearly understand it. As you said now, in one book he says,
A supply art of not giving fuck.
another book he's saying everything is fuck.
Huh.
When you go through the books of the people who know what is self, you will not get that confusion.
Okay, I will not do that.
That's it. It is so simple.
Sadhguru also confused like inner engineering books.
It is not confused. Why it is confused?
Engineering is outside.
It is not outside. What do you mean by engineering? There is a certain set of geometry in the engineering. When there is a geometry, when there is a perfection of the geometry
Okay.
in that building will stay forever. Not just forever, not forever, if not forever, for the longest time we can imagine.
But why government college or institute, why don't they provide inner engineering classes? Why only Sadhguru? If books are so much relevant, then why they don't provide in universities or other schools?
What happens here? You use something in your life.
Okay.
You know what is network marketing?
Yeah, there are so many books.
No.
Entrepreneurs.
No. You use some soap, bhai. Network marketing company and saying.
Oh, company. Talk about books, man.
It is example.
Okay.
It is a book example.
Okay.
You are using some soap by network marketing company. It is an example for inner engineering. Try and understand.
Okay.
You are using a soap by in your life. When that soap is when that soap is used on you,
Yes.
you will definitely know what kind of soap it is. Is it a good soap or a bad soap? Does it give a good foam? Does it take out the kachra on my body? Right? You will see. And you will see that, oh my god, it is, really good soap. Fragrance is also very good.
Okay.
Only then you will, market it to somebody. That is, network marketing. Why they'll give you a set of, set of things which you use first. If you like it, then you forward to two people.
Follow to 2P, you refer.
Refer. That's how you said inner engineering. People don't know what is inner engineering. When they use that soap,
Then they'll come to know.
they'll know the quality of the soap. And then they will either use the soap or not use. If they don't use, then there is no need of the soap for them, I'm saying. Right?
Yeah.
If there is the need, they will definitely use. बिकॉज कचरा अगर है शरीर पे तो निकालना तो पड़ेगा ना, तो सोप तो लगेगा ही. कौन सा सोप लगेगा वो अलग बात है.
Okay.
It is like this. Why they don't refer is they also don't know. School people, the principal of the school, if he knows what is engineering, he cannot stop himself from giving it to all the people. It is such. But what happens is when they don't know, there is no importance there.
Okay.
It is just another, another thing which is sold in the market for us. That's it. Like a movie, how the movie is sold.
Okay.
Why it is so? Because Sadhguru also takes money to give. You're understanding it.
Only.
When you have to join engineering, inner engineering, you have to pay some money there. And why he kept that fees? Is it right or wrong to keep that fees? That can be debated. It's a different question.
Okay. Okay. So, and talk about something religious books.
If you want to understand religion,
Then you don't need any book.
any book, no scripture also.
No scripture.
I'm not denying any scripture. I'm saying read scripture. Every scripture you want to read, read it. But don't take out the religion from the scripture. Religion is here, buddy, not in the book.
Okay.
You think Jesus understood religion by reading some book? You think Buddha understood religion by reading some book? No, buddy. Religion is here, out there.
But why Buddha books exist and why Jesus books exist?
what Buddha saw without book, what Jesus saw without book. We are not able to see it without book. So people, put their idea into books and sell. That's it.
That's it.
If you know, let's say, bhai, you know what what happens after you eat something. You know
Read
it.
something.
When you eat something, you know what
Read.
happens. Eat.
Why? I don't want to eat here. I can't eat book, no?
It is an example.
Example also you can say in a book's way.
When you say literally, what happens is there is no importance to it.
Okay.
Life works that way. If I say you are a nashedi, it is really bad for you. You will die one day. You will never quit it.
Okay.
You're getting it?
Yeah.
It has to be conveyed indirectly to the people.
Okay. 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 When I eat, so what will happen?
When you eat something, if you are conscious enough, you will know what is the effect is going on in the body.
Okay.
When you eat something,
Okay.
you will know the effect of what is going on in the body. Right?
Hmm.
When you put it out, what happens is you cannot put it out the same way you are experiencing it. You're getting my point.
Yeah.
Now when I'm eating this chewing gum,
Okay.
even if I try to put it on the paper, the experience which I'm having while eating this, it will not come out 100%, I'm saying. So when somebody ate religion or somebody experienced religion, when people put out their experience on the books, it was not complete. It was fragmented because it was not the people who experienced who wrote it.
Okay.
It is somebody else who either saw their experiences happening or either, listened to them or either spoke to them, and then they decided their own story that this is religion and they wrote the book. That's how it happens.
Okay.
If Buddha wrote a religious book, I'm saying, it would be a different book. But somebody wrote a book on Buddhism, it is a different book, I'm saying. That's it.
Oh.
Are you understanding the
Yeah.
difference?
Yes.
Yeah.
So every book is a different.
Every book is different. See, when it comes with your own experience and you write it, why Sadhguru's books are famous is, it comes with his own experience and he is only writing it. When I say he is writing it, somebody writer is there with him who's writing that book. He is just,
Maybe explain.
he is narrating the book.
Narrating.
Somebody
Like
else is
story.
writing. So he is the same person who's writing the book. So there is a sense there is no confusion there. But if you go back to all the isms,
Isms,
ism books,
Ism, any book, any ism.
any ism book, it was not written by the same person who experienced them. It was written by somebody else who thought he experienced something like this. So they wrote.
Okay.
No. Probably he even told in his speeches and everything that I experienced this. But we don't know.
We don't know. Okay.
That is, I'm saying there is no need of religion book. Religion is out there here. You read every scripture. You know what scripture says? What Jesus says is, when you reach, I'll be the evidence
Okay. Jesus will be the evidence.
for you. I'll be there for you. When you reach, I'll be there for you, he says.
Okay.
What does that mean? Are you getting the point? He's saying, when you reach what is called as religion or realization, when you understand it, whatever I have told in my life and that is being put out in the scripture,
Okay.
that you will understand in an actual way, he says. I am there. When you reach, I'll be there. What it means is, whatever I have said, you will understand it in a real sense. So I am there.
Okay.
I am telling it to you. If you realize yourself, after realizing when you read a scripture, you will see that it is Jesus telling it, not the book.
Not the book. Okay. Not the book. Okay. So, like any competitive exams, they follow completely study. They study 24 hours. Like, I don't know how much effort they put into study. They keep on studying and various books. And you can see the government exams, the toughest exams in the government. So they completely study hard. So, what do you have to say on them? Like, and it's, I mean to say,
So you're saying,
yeah, like books are very important. I mean to say.
see, everything is important in life. What level of importance it is given to that thing depends on, it depends how your life is going. Everything is important, not just books. If you say books, I would say competitive exams like UPSC, KPSC, SBI exam, all the bank exams. Especially nowadays, it is very famous, bank exams.
Government exams.
Everybody is trying to get into a bank.
Okay.
You know what? So, what I'm saying is, you prepare for any exam.
I think everything starts with book. I think.
In school, you're saying?
Yeah.
No. Before that, it starts in family. Why
First
you?
family, second is book,
Why you?
third is teacher.
Yeah, no. Why you think?
What is the book role of in our lives? And everybody lives.
I'm saying you said it starts in the school, right? I said it starts before that. Why you think a person scores 90% in the school and one person scores 35% in the school? Why? It is
The
not.
book is differences.
No.
Book is same.
See, the book is the same thing. The person is different. It is so simple to understand. It is not the books I'm saying. It is really important they are. They are really important, as you say. They can give you the truths of life where you do not hallucinate yourself. We were discussing that point. What is happening is, before books, before internet and YouTube and Instagram, what happened is whatever we wanted to learn, we used to go to any book. Whatever we wanted to learn, we used to go to books or some scripture or anything. Nowadays, because of internet, everything is available on the YouTube or Instagram or a porn site or a government site or a Sandeep Maheshwari site or a Sadhguru site.
Okay.
Everything is there. You go and watch. What happens is when there is no control over here, things start, people start hallucinating. What happens is that whatever you see, it is stored in the mind. And when you think for your life, those people will come and interfere.
Okay.
When you try to think about your life, and it is so much stored way here, they will come and disturb.
Okay.
So that was the best way to read the book earlier.
Read the books in a physical or like in a PDF file. Nowadays we can afford only PDF, man. So which one you feel good? Like it's physical is good or
I gave you one example on that day. There is exact opposite to that example in today's topic I'm saying.
oh, tell me.
That example is, there is a huge difference between virtual sex and real sex.
So
There is a huge difference between virtual sex and real sex.
so what?
But there is no difference between physical book and PDF book, because
Wow.
it is just giving you information.
That's it. So if you want, you can read a PDF file.
Yeah, it is just information. If you have a phone or a tab or a Kindle, you can read it. What is the problem? If not, then read the book. 30 rupees you'll get a book by.
Nowadays I'm only reading WhatsApp, man. WhatsApp chats and WhatsApp statuses. And Facebook, there are some posts. Every page they created this in thoughts. Thoughts. They are. I'm just reading thoughts.
It is good. No? Social media is good. I never said social media is bad, because
Social media is a book.
it is kind of a book. But if you know how to read that book, then you are a good reader. Otherwise, you are just looking for fiction. That's it.
So this nature also book.
Everything is a book. Everything. I am also a book. You're also a book.
You name it last time.
No. Actually, that should. What I'm saying is, everything is a book. Everything.
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 Is there anything without book?
It is.
What, humans?
It is. What is not a book?
Yeah, what is not a book? Yeah.
That we need to discuss. What is not a book?
Yeah. Is there anything that exists? Cell phone also comes through book? No, right?
Cell phone?
Cell phone also is a book?
It is. It's a digital book. If you are reading some PDF in this phone,
It's a digital book. Cell phone is a digital book.
if you're reading everything in your phone in a PDF format,
Hmm.
leave everything aside from that phone. Just concentrate on the PDF. It is a digital book.
Okay.
So, what is not a book is,
Hmm.
I think people gonna take this as either some weird shit or some insensible thought. But
Yes, you can.
but whatever we call as
Okay.
me in us, psychological me in us,
Okay.
it is not a book, I'm saying. You know why? You know why? Whichever book you are reading in life, whichever book you are reading, there is a progression in the book. There is either a forward movement in the book
Okay.
or there is a backward movement in the book. The story of the book is trying to tell you either it is trying to take you forward in what you are reading
Okay.
or it is trying to take you backward in what you are reading. But this psychological creation, me in us, it is not going anywhere, if you see.
So that is not a book.
That is not a book. But what is real you is a book.
What is real in me?
What is real you?
What is real me? I'm saying me. So it's a real book.
It's a book. It's a real book. Yeah.
So
if you-
I think everybody is a book. I think.
Everybody is a book. Why you think people write autobiographies?
Okay. Autobiographies. Yeah.
It is so
Gandhiji, who wrote himself his autobiography
Many
in a jail, na?
Many people wrote. He wrote it in jail. Many people.
Because he got the time.
Not like that. He wanted to share whatever happened in his life. He also didn't know if it is good or bad.
Okay.
So he wanted to share it to the people and wanted people to decide if it is good or bad. So he wrote. That's it. Simple, no?
So Gandhism books.
APJ Abdul Kalam also wrote a book about himself, Wings of Fire. If you have not read it,
Yeah, everybody knows, yeah.
not everybody have read it, Kaka.
Okay.
Go and check the number of sell that has happened of the book Wings of Fire, and go and check the number of copies that have been sold of the book which is giving you some sexual fantasy. Check. I am not saying it.
So everybody knows Bhagavad Gita, Bible, and Quran, and other religious books are the top selling books. It's available. They give it some, and freely also they give it.
It is mandatory for everybody. That's why I didn't mention the religious book. That's why I went to sexual fantasy book.
And after the religious books and biggest selling books and Ayn Rand books.
Which books?
Ayn Rand.
Ayn Rand.
Yeah.
That Ayn Rand is a US speaker, no? Somebody, I don't know.
No, she's a writer.
Writer, huh?
She's a writer. And she wrote Atlas Shrugged book and Fountainhead. No, but she's the first person I think in a
What she spoke about?
individualist.
Individualism.
Yeah,
Ism or individualism?
individualism.
Individualism,
Yeah,
right? No?
yeah, and
But individualism, I would say, you got a very good
Atlas Shrugged and Fountainhead book name.
that word, individualism. What you say? I would say it is a dual-edged sword, as we discussed earlier. What do you mean by dual-edged sword? It can cut you from both the sides. That means
Okay.
whatever we call as an individual experience in our life, it is really, really, really beautiful. If you see, an ant is moving there.
Okay.
Let's say 100 ants are moving. In those 100 ants, that one particular ant doesn't have an individual experience. If you know this, it is not thinking. It is just following the other ants. It is just going, taking the food, coming back.
But Ayn Rand is not like that. Ayn Rand is a 1 in million.
No, I'm not talking about her. I'm talking about individualism. In my experience,
Yes, she is the only one who thought like individualism is the important.
I'm not saying it is important or not. I'm just clearing out.
Okay.
You know, the ant is going on. It doesn't have an individual experience. It is just following the other ants, eating food, remaining, and dying, like that. But when it comes to a human being, every one of us have an individual experience. Every one of us can feel life in a different way. Can you see it?
Yeah. Yeah.
The one who's looking at some god, for example, a Christian guy entering into the church,
Okay.
the experience of his, and some normal guy who doesn't believe in any god entering the church and experience of his are totally different, kaka, if you can understand it from inside. I'm saying that guy who's going to the church in terms of devotion, he's completely different person, but the person who's just going to sit there and come back is a different person. So everybody of us have an individual experience, and it is really beautiful. But why I said it is a dual-edged sword is, when we take our own individual experience very seriously and not think about what's going on around, then Osama bin Laden is born, then Hitler is born, and then
There are also books, na? And Osama bin Laden has the books and every.
no, not. I'm not saying that. It is. Let's not mix things. I'm speaking about individualism.
Okay.
Book.
Book, yeah.
Ian Rand book. Individualism. Right.
She wrote many things.
So that point I said, when you take your individualism very seriously, and you think no matter if I kill millions of people also,
Okay.
if I kill millions of people also, I'll prove what I think is right.
Yeah.
That is also individualism, buddy.
Yeah.
Can't you see? So it is a dual-edged sword. What you think as individualism should be, I'm saying, in terms of experiencing life,
Okay. Yeah.
not conquering life. Individualism. Conquering is, if you want to conquer a life as an individual, then you will become a psycho, I'm saying. But if you experience life as an individual, you will become God.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. So, is there anything else left? You already said that everything is a book.
Everything is a book. Every life is a book. Every person is a book. You, me, that person moving on the bike, everybody is a book. You will have to.
So, how this library concept started? Because books exist only in library. Nowadays, exist in a mobile library, in a digital books only.
The library concept started, they wanted people to come to one place
On place, okay.
without any disturbance, right?
With the pin drop silence. Okay.
They want to read, right? Simple, no? Now, before finishing it, I think, Kaka, it is 33 minutes.
Okay, yeah.
Let's finish it. But before finishing only, that flashed.
It's good, I think.
Right? There is a saying, I don't know which country it is, or probably Italy, I guess, or some country, I don't know. What they do is, no, let me get that. Italy only, that's it. There is a saying, it says, if you keep 10 books and a pair of slipper in the circle today, and you come back tomorrow morning, you'll see that the slipper is gone, but the books are still there. You know what that means? People don't know the value of book. They think a book has a less value than a pair of slipper. When you understand the value of book, and whenever you are reading a book, if you do not hallucinate, and just try and see how can you clear out things for yourself from that book.
Okay.
Whichever book it is, physical book, PDF book, another person, nature, plant, animal, movie, song, video, podcast, Sadhguru, Sandeep Maheshwari, Elon Musk, whoever it is, everything is a book.
Speakers.
Motivational speaker, me, you, everybody. When you read something, don't, follow blindly, I'm saying. Just clear out the things for yourself. Don't follow them. That's it.
Okay. That's it. Shall we conclude?
You want to say something? Definitely, please, yeah.
have sex with your books.
Wow.
Okay, bye.